Yeah, it's nice and light. The register is just down the trail. We just spent, what, 10 minutes looking for it at the trailhead?
Yeah. My other son had a
Whoa! Oh, sweet shade. That was hot.
right there.
Right in front of you. Looks very sheltered. Stopping here at Mackinac Shelter to refuel, fill up on water, and apply sunblock before we have to do the switchbacks. The switchback section is really steep. But at least there's shady sections. Tons of wildflowers on this trail. How many people can we put on this log before it breaks?
I was saying the same thing as soon as I hit it.
Yep. Now we traverse for a long time. So here's the stream that we were counting on. It's a little dry. Woohoo! Water. It's a very picturesque spot to fill up.
Oh. There's a lot of grunts and groans in this group.
There's a bunch more streams right after that one. There's the PCT. And there's White Pass. Oh, man, it's a perfect lunch spot.
4331.
So the next part of our journey takes us over here and then around Marmot Knob, somewhere over there. And we're having way too much fun saying Marmot Knob. It's a little post holey over there.
Yeah, I see that.
I think this is the first view of Glacier Peak. And if I'm wrong, I'm gonna cut it out of the video. There's some marmots right under Marmot Knob. And you can see our trail going across there and onto that ridge. We are sticking with trail runners for this traverse, but getting out ice axes. Yep. I think we still have a mile and about 500 feet left to go. We should have a couple of hours until sunset. This last final part is taking forever. Oh. My watch still says 0.7 miles left, which doesn't seem right. What are you doing, Glenn? You're not allowed to pass us. I want the best camp spot. So we got on top of this ridge and figured out that this is not camp. Camp is still another half a mile that way. See, there's camp.
On the ridge?
Yeah, that dirt ridge. Yep. The never-ending slog is almost at an end. We are almost off the snow. Welcome to camp.
Oh my God, what a slog.
Yes,
Oh,
that was very close.
Can we just turn around and go back tomorrow morning?
Yeah,
We'll have a rest day?
that was.
I mean, those ones over there all clustered.
No, I brought a half
the moon is out. The mountains are pink. The sun is setting. And we need to go to sleep. It's 9 o'clock and we're waking up
3 a.m.
3:30.
3:30.
Yep. It's gonna be fun tomorrow. So here we are at about 4 a.m. It's pretty windy right now, but it's still pretty warm. Good morning. Everybody ready? Everybody got lots of restful sleep?
Oh, yeah.
Ready to go?
Yep.
Sun is rising. Let me guess, we have to go down.
Yeah.
You can see.
Sun has risen. Unfortunately, Andrew's having problems with his stomach, so we're going kind of slow. Gonna put on crampons over there, and then it's all on snow. The alternative way up is just to go up straight up this rock rib right here, and then there's some 5th class moves, and then you get on top of Disappointment Peak. From there it's a short traverse. All roped up with nowhere to go. Almost through the rockfall section. There's all the rockfall. Do some cell phone footage.
Some video?
Yeah,
Okay.
Don't you have your cell phone?
I do. We are almost to the saddle. This is taking forever. Now just this last fun part left. That group of 3 that were way ahead of us are coming down. This part is not getting any easier. Just a little bit left, I hope. That was something. Congratulations.
That was really hard.
Really?
Well, we need to know. What is Donald Trump?
Never-ending snow descent. That was camp. Now we're heading out, hoping to get to White Pass and camp there and relax. I think they're flanking us. Last uphill section after a whole bunch of side hilling on very sketchy grass and dirt. Kind of a big chickeny bird. There's the trailhead in the car. Let's see, 10,920 feet of elevation, 34.5 miles. How does it feel to be done?
Very good.